Hello, my name is Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you everyone who's part of the family here. I really appreciate it. Please click the thumbs up, and I have finally got my Boxycharm Premium. I know I had mentioned before that FedEx had lost it, and it's been about 2.5 weeks. Boxycharm thankfully sent me out a whole new box, and of course everybody knows what they look like. They look like this, and I know it doesn't really matter now. Everybody's done got their boxes pretty much, but I do think there are some people still getting their boxes. So this is variation 56. And just in case you're curious, I'm pretty sure that I read this box weighed 2.7 pounds. Like I said, I'm sure it doesn't matter at this point. Pretty much everybody has got their box. But except for the people, I know I've read some people who had gotten theirs lost too for whatever reason. But this one, we know we got, everybody was promised the Glow recipe. And I was so excited about getting this, and I was really nervous that, worrying that maybe since they lost it, they might, and they were replacing it, that they might not be able to give me the items that had been promised because they might have ran out or something. But they sent me one of the ones I was hoping for. And got that. I love Glow recipe, and it is just so cute. These are the kind of bottles that even when they're empty I will save, just because they're just so cute. I was expecting it kind of to be more runnier than that, but it's when you put it on, it does pretty much turn liquidy. There's that. Love that. So excited to get this. If you're wondering why I have no makeup on, I was going to show you all. Several of y'all mentioned really loving this palette, so I was going to do a little bit of playing around with that here in a minute. And as far as blush goes, I was going to show you all the contour palette. So yes, I got the contour palette that we were also promised. Another thing that I was really worried about, that I wouldn't get it because maybe they had ran out, since mine had to be reordered. But I love Too Faced packaging. I know Too Faced is one of those companies that there's a lot of controversy over, but I just love their packaging. Now if I can get it opened. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Yes, it really does smell like chocolate. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. Even prettier than I expected, and prettier than I thought it looked on. I mean, it is honestly prettier than the camera can show it, because I've watched other videos and this is just so pretty. We have the light highlighter, a medium highlighter, the deep highlighter, and then the light contour, a medium contour, and the deep contour. So it's for everybody. And this would be perfect for eyeshadow or anything. It just look how beautiful. The packaging is just so pretty. I love it. And I got, let's see, I've got a contour brush here somewhere. I was going to put this on and show you. I'm going to use the medium contour. I'm going to try the ipsy contour brush. If y'all haven't seen the ipsy brushes, they have it's called Complex Culture is the name they name themselves, but I've been told this is Ipsy brand, and they are really, I mean, really dense. I like their brushes. I'm gonna try this medium one. I saw some people that was having a hard time making it really show up, but I think it really was the brush, because that is the contour with a contour, the Ipsy contour brush. Yeah, I like that. It is really pretty. I've been using the Purr contour as has been my favorite, but this right here is probably going to take Purr's place. I like this. That really shows up. I had nothing on my cheeks at all except foundation. It shows up really good. I'm thinking about trying a fluffier brush or something different, and maybe try and see if this is a contour brush too, curvy contour brush by Farrah. I'm gonna try it up here on my, just a little bit on my forehead to give a little bit of color. There's one side with and one side without, but again, I just put a tiny bit up there too. I'll try to use the camera, the viewfinder on the camera some, and so y'all can see better. I know it is easier to do it in a mirror, but trying to let y'all see exactly where I'm putting it. I've been thinking about cutting me a few little bangs. I really like hair to come down around my face some, but I really like that. But I've just got my color. I just ordered some color to redo my roots, but I'm kind of worried about doing it. I know this is just a conditioner that I did, and that stuff, y'all remember when I did this, what's it been, like 2 weeks? I've lost count, but it's still there. I mean, that does not wash out very good. I mean, I'm just going to do my roots, but I was just afraid that if any got on the part that's red, even though it is just a conditioner, that it might damage the hair. So I've been holding off washing my hair, waiting for that to fade out. But yeah, it's not fading anywhere. Which I like that. I like that. I mean, I just used about a quarter size and got all this red, and it's been 2 weeks and it is not going anywhere. Okay, now that is the blush. I like it. Okay, and then I was going to do, I got my Ciate London blush. I was going to put it on and see what it looks like with that. This is the marbled in Halo. That's that. Just a little bit, not too much there. And then I will try, let's see, where is my, let's see, let's try this one. This is an Alamar brush. I'm going to try, I think I'll try the medium highlighter too and just see if, just put a tiny bit up there. It doesn't have a huge sparkle because it is a matte. Can you see that? It is more of a matte. Well, it is matte. All of them are mattes. That's the, you can see they are a matte. Let me show you those. This is the lightest shade. This is the medium shade, and this is the dark shade of highlighters. And let's see here. This is the light shade of blush, of contour, the medium shade of contour, and the dark shade of contour. Let's see. I'll see if I can swatch those. I didn't swatch the highlighters because they're so light. I don't really think they would show up. But those are the contours. Again, look how beautiful. And I also got, okay, we knew we were getting the contour and the avocado because everybody was supposed to get those that had been a Boxycharm member up until, was it June? I think they said if you were already a member at that point, you were guaranteed to get that. But they did make a mistake and sent some people a Tarte. Is that the Tarte Remix or the Tarte? One of the Tarte palettes. And if you were one of those people, they did say they were making it right. I know I heard some people say that they had been told they were going to get a $12 coupon to get something out of their add-ons next week, and I heard some that Boxycharm was saying that they were going to send the right palette out, but maybe they didn't have enough of them. I'm not really sure what happened. I just know that if you got the wrong palette, you can contact them. They did say they were going to make it right in one way or another. Okay, and that Too Faced contour palette is $44. The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is $49. And then I got the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection. Retails for $28. I will check into this. It says a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. I do not use heat on my hair because heat damages hair, but this might be good to use like when you're going to go out in the sun. If it says UV damage, I wonder if this would protect hair like sunscreen does our body. If this would protect our hair, I would think so. I will read it and see, but I would think that probably would work. And then I got the Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil. Retails for $18. Natasha's eyeliner pencil is highly pigmented, applies smoothly, and has a super creamy texture. Can be applied on the waterline or on the lash line to accentuate any eye look. Super wearable, this pencil liner is completely versatile and can be used to create precise, crisp lines or a smudged out smoky look. They misspelled smoky, did they? Okay, I think I just looked at it wrong. Okay, and that's what this looks like. Just any basic eyeliner pencil. Let's see. I'll put it on my waterline. I'm going to do a look for y'all here in a minute with that palette. Yep, it is intense. I don't know how well it stays, but it is creamy. It goes on the waterline good. Do y'all have any plans for the holiday weekend? I haven't decided yet if we're going to do anything. Y'all probably remember me mentioning that I try to keep from taking my little one out too much because of his compromised immune system. But I was thinking about taking him to a pool party this weekend. There's not going to be many kids there, and I know that they'll be careful, but I'm not sure exactly what's happening with that yet. He really misses being around people so much, and I might be doing that. But okay, that is